One of the largest manufacturing enterprises in US faced a challenge. They couldn't prove how AI investments were improving floor efficiency or cash flow. Production lines were running, but not optimally. Overall, equipment effectiveness, OEE, hadn't improved in 18 months. Their order-to-cash cycle was bloated, and workforce productivity gains had flatlined. Turinton's Insights AI platform connected siloed data from machines, ERP, and HR systems. By unifying it into a real-time intelligence layer, the platform provided dynamic visibility into how every process, from production to payment, was interlinked. In just 90 days, they saw measurable gains. OEE jumped nearly 20%. Cash cycles were shortened by 10 days. And workforce efficiency rose, without hiring a single extra resource. AI should drive KPIs that matter, like uptime, cash flow, and output per worker. Let Turinton help you build the intelligence layer your operations deserve.